Hi everyone, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and author of many books on how to draw cartoons and character design. And today I want to show you how to design an animal cartoon, an anthropomorphic animal cartoon, which basically means an animal sort of with a person's look rather than a realistic animal. And so I'm going to do a bear. Has a long snout, but what I'm going to try to show you today is that we don't always just caricature the face of an animal. We also caricature I gotta bring this down a bit. Caricature the posture, the body. Not just like make it big round body, but make it look like the kind of animal it is. So this bear is gonna have short legs, very floppy feet, and we'll kind of like almost hinge the shoulder here. Bring it straight down. This line will be straight. And we'll make this one rounded here. Give it a little flat and round, a little variety. Bring those kind of semi-claw hands up like this, and of course, we'll bring the other one back this way. And let me take out that little circle here we use kind of as a guide. I'll bring a floppy little cup of an ear here. Same thing on this side. And we'll bring the eye down close to the bridge of the snout. That's where it is on many animals, including dogs. I'll go over this in a minute with a darker tone. Let's flatten this here. But I haven't gotten to the posture yet. I want to show that to you in a minute. Just got to get everything in place. So just stick with me. Here's kind of a cute fuzziness over here. Got to have the fuzziness. You can't ever lose with fuzziness in cartoons. All right, there's that. And a little shading here. Bring that belly out. And now he certainly looks like a bear, but we can add a little bit to him because a bear, unlike, I don't know, any other kind of animal or a person, this is sort of more of a person's posture than anything. They have this big hump on the back of the shoulders. You ever notice that? And it comes in like this. Curves in and then back out again for a big rump. And it makes it look more like that bear that you're trying to draw. So let's make it like so. Bring the back of the head in. And I'm going to bring this in here. So from here, let's start. You see, it's starting to look like, you go, hey, that's not a person. Or a person who really needs a little bit of adjusting. So I'm going to go slowly with the eye. So I always mention the eye is the one thing that you really want to spend a little time on rather than just sketch quickly for final drawing. And bring the top down here. Slope it, nice sloping look. Should I give him a smile? He looks a little upset. I think I'll leave him a little upset like that. I think that would be good. A couple of whiskers. And from the ear, basically coming from the ear, although it doesn't look like it's attached directly, that cheek area. And we'll keep a flat head, but we'll also just make it a little bit rounded. Keeping with the look for the entire animal. And a little cup here for the ear. Maybe flatten it on the other side from perspective. And here's the back. A little shaggy over here on the shoulder. A little shaggy on the bottom. A little bit of tiny tail. And this sort of is a counterweight to this. This guy has really found a hoard of berries and nuts. I mean, he's just been going at it. Come on, guy. Too much foraging. Okay, well, we're not going to draw the entire sphere here. That's just a good way to get us going, kind of a guideline. And here is the top of the wrist. Here's the palm. It comes over with some claws instead of fingers. Claws mimic that. We'll bring this back a little bit. Like that, flat. And here it's flat also. The anatomy is the same, on virtually the same on a bear as it is like on a dog, but it looks different because it's flatter. The stance is flatter. All right, now let's just put a little bit of shadow here. And by adding shadow, you get kind of a little bit of a rounder look, because certain things look a little further away from other things, like this. And the interior, maybe even a little bit here below the hand. And that's it. That's how you use some posture to caricature a cartoon. Thanks for joining me today. I'm glad you were here and giving me a chance to do this, and I hope you'll subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.